How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world. Today we're going to keep talking about theoretical probability of single events, but we're going to do it a little bit different. Now, before we start, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so right now. If you want to support this channel, link down in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my other channel, I leave it in right here, so you can go ahead and do so. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to be talking about theoretical probability of single events. We have already talked about this on the previous video. I'll leave it in right here. Now, but what we're going to be doing right now, on the previous video we just talked about how to find the probability, okay? Remember, the probability is the number of things that you want to happen, what you're looking for or what they're asking for, divided by all the things that can possibly happen. That's going to give you the probability. Now, what if you're being asked something different? What if they already give you the probability and you need to find either the total number of outcomes or whatever, or you're looking for how many things can happen that you want? So you're going to have to work it backwards, okay? So for this, I have a couple of examples. It says number 4 and 5. It says the probability, P stands for probability, equals 0.4. They give you the total number of outcomes. So you're looking for everything that can happen within the 0.4 range. What does that mean? Remember, we have, if you want to convert this to a percent, you can't. So 40% of the time, we're going to get the outcomes that you want out of the 50 outcomes, okay? 40%, not 40 times. So let's look at this real quick. All you have to do, whenever you have something like that, the formula is probability equals part over total, okay? But if they're giving you two of the things that you need to know, but all you have to do is substitute in. This is going to go right here, and the total is going to go right there. So you're just looking for the part. And that's really simple. All you have to do is convert to decimal. I mean, it's already decimal, just multiply. And that's it. Okay? Because whenever you're trying to solve for P, or the part, whenever you try to solve for the part, what is the total doing with the part? Dividing. So the opposite of divide is to multiply. What you do to one side, you do to the other one. This cancels out, and that's it. Total times the probability is going to give you the part. You don't have to memorize the formula. Just remember, whenever you're looking for the part, just multiply, and that's it. So it'll be 50 times 0.4. And the fastest way to do this actually is, what is 50 times 4? 5 times, or 5 times 2? What is 50 times 4? Or 5 times 4? Well, it's going to be 50 times 4 is going to be 200. Let's move the decimal over one place, and the total number of events is going to be 20. And that's it. It's going to be less than half. It is less than half. Now, what if they give you the total number of events and the probability? The same thing. You got to look for the total number of outcomes. So now you have part, the probability, you have 75 over T. So you got to solve for this one is 0.3. And we gotta undo that T first, and then divide. So now this cancels out, but I still have it over there. So I gotta get rid of it. So I divide by 0.3. I divide by 0.3. So 75 times 0.03 divided gives me 250. 75 divided by 0.3. You move the decimal over, add a zero, add a decimal, and then you divide, you get 250. And you can work it backwards. 250 times 0.3, it'll give you the 75 that you're looking for. Again, if you're looking for the number of events, you multiply by the decimal. And if you're looking for the total number of outcomes, you divide by that decimal. All you gotta do is work out the formula. Well, that is it for this one, guys. If you learned something today, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. That is it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.